That's what it's supposed to be. That's right.
Well, it comes with instructions.
Dear Allie, I can't believe our big day is finally here. I know it's been stressful planning the wedding, but I hope you're as happy as I am today. It's been amazing and I can't wait to see what your life has in store for us. Love you now and forever.
Can you believe this day is finally here? I cannot wait to see what the rest of our lives have in store for us. I know that as long as you're there with me, that it will be full of laughter and adventure. Now let's get married. Love always, Allie. Excellence.
Hey, Allie!
So on the non-contact rugby pitch of Hammersholt High School, Taylor located the love of his life. Their fondness for each other would grow like buds on the trees of a Thunder Bay spring. Little did we know, the happiness that Allie brought him would always remain in the back of his mind. The girl that he decided to make his femme. That's French for wife.
Today, a new family is born, and our world will be better for its birth.
Taylor, you have a way of calming Allie down when her organizational skills start to borderline OCD behavior. And Allie, you helped Taylor find his belt, his deodorant, his sunglasses, the milk in the fridge, his car keys. These things are truly important when maintaining a balanced, lifelong imprisonment. I mean marriage.
Taylor Samuel Fedorchuk, do you pledge before your family and friends to be a faithful and loving husband to Allison from this day forward? Allison Catherine Mackenzie Turner, do you pledge before your family and friends to be a faithful and loving wife to Taylor from this day forward? If so, say I do.
I do.
Will you do all in your power to support these two in the marriage that they are about to undertake? It is my great joy to pronounce you from this moment forward to be husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Allie and Taylor, the newlyweds.
Cheer, everybody! Yeah!
You think Taylor got a good catch tonight?
Lastly, we would like to make the final toast to Allison and Taylor. May your love and friendship sustain and strengthen as we all know it will. Here's the bride and groom. Let the baby making begin.
To love, laughter, and happily ever after, Taylor.